This might look brutal, but it's the crack millions swear by. One twist, pop. Her spine sounds like snapping celery. Fun fact, that noise is just nitrogen bubbles. But 9 out of 10 patients say it feels like magic. And subscribe if you think my cat is cute. If you don't, you probably don't like cats or straight spines. That's kinda cold. So is chiropractic real relief or a feel-good placebo? Hospitals call it complimentary. Skeptics call it luck. But right after that pop, she said, "I can breathe again," and started laughing. If pain's bad enough, even placebo feels priceless. Would you pay for a 2-second crack? Or sprint out before the twist?